This is the elevator in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And look at this, we have a beautiful vintage Marshall elevator. Go down to the basement. C.J. Anderson black button fixtures, look at this. Truly beautiful vintage elevator. No indicator or button light, so we'll just stare at the buttons, I suppose. Case fire noise elevators here at the basement. This is hydraulic. Go up to 3. Here are 3, single speed, I believe. Look at that old elevator sign. Go back down to 1. There's your stop switch, Marshall elevator. Looks pretty faded. Light switch. Case fire noise elevators, certificate, Marshall elevator, capacity and passengers. Pretty basic old cabinets, white. It's hydraulic. It's really bright in this elevator. It's white, like I said. There's C.J. Anderson panel here, back up 1.